Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Nexo app for crypto lending setup, full guide step by step clearly. To start, open the App Store on your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, locate and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type Nexo. Once the search results appear, look for the Nexo app. It should be identified by its distinct logo. Tap on the Nexo app to access its details page. Check the app description and ratings to ensure it's the correct application. Next, locate the download or install button and tap it. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see the Nexo icon on your home screen. Tap the Nexo icon to launch the app. You might need to grant the app necessary permissions. Follow any prompts that appear to complete the setup process. When prompted, create a new account or log in if you already have one. To create a new account, enter your email address and set a strong password. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a verification message. Follow the link provided in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Nexo app to complete your profile setup. You may need to provide personal information for compliance purposes. Once your profile is fully set up, navigate to the lending section. Here, you can review the lending options available. Select the cryptocurrency you would like to lend. Enter the amount you wish to lend and review the terms. After confirming the details, proceed to finalize the lending setup. Your Nexo app is now ready for crypto lending. You can manage your assets directly from the app moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.